This is a top hybrid machine from Critic. It has 8 core functions. The grass crushing, rotary tillage, weeding, ditching, soil ridging, backfilling, fertilizing, and bulldozing. It perfectly solves many common problems of other similar machines in the industry, and it equipped with premium 195F coupe power engine and high-torque gearbox. You can change the working machines easily, and its output speed is twice faster than ordinary models on the market. This machine supports remote control engine start, remote adjustable throttle, remote flame out. We have upgraded the remote control function and added a wire remote control. Ensure the machine can work normally when the remote controller out of power. This is the Mower remote controller, and we can also upgrade the controller to the industry degree controller. And this switch can change the wire control mode to wireless control mode. This is the real-time voltage and the power display. This switch can choose the remote control mode like this. Choose wire control, remote control modes, or wireless remote control. The machine equipped with 2 generator sets. It is independently equipped with a 12 volts 32 amps starting battery and a 48 volts 20 amps Tianning driving battery inside of the machine. Only diesel needs to be added. It can work continuously for a long time. No need to charge the battery separately. It adopts 2 sets of 48 volts 800W brushless motor and high-speed ratio gearbox. It runs smoothly and easily on various large slope terrains. There are 4 high-power laser spotlight on the front and back. They can shine over 200 meters, making network much easier. All parts are made of thick-strength carbon steel. Total weight is over 450 kilograms. The metal surface goes through pickling, phosphating electrophoresis, and high-temperature baking. The painting sticks better and lasting longer, especially in coastal areas. The cutter supports remote control hydraulic lifting. The ground clearance of cutters can be adjusted freely. The grass crushing cutter can be adjusted to a minimum height of 2 centimeters. It can crush weeds and bushes up to 2 meters high easily. After replacing with weeding cutter, it cleans stubble weeds thoroughly. The cutter can go into soil more than 10-15 centimeters to completely remove weed roots. Equipped with the snow plow blade, it can push snow and the earth. It greatly reduces manual labor work. Fertilizer spreader can be fitted with a ditching cutter. It can both ditch and applies fertilizer efficiently. With ditching cutter, the ditching depth and width reach 25-30 cm. And above it fully meets daily farming needs. When matched with rotary tillage cutter, fertilizer can be mixed evenly and buried into soil easily. Install the backfill blade on the machine. It can complete soil backfilling efficiently.